Welcome to FBK Podcast and Sleep. We are glad to have you.
Yeah, back. It's good to be back.
Dude, have you heard that guy Musa is going to cover the media side of Abashwe's funeral?
Damn.
But why are they still keeping Moncho in prison? Because his crime is minor.
I don't know. Maybe SPCA or whatever it's called must come rescue him.
Oh,
Dude, are you going to Scorpion Kings event at Loftus Stadium?
Yes, bro. I'm going to end with Alostro as VIP.
Have you ever asked yourself who actually controls and runs the Forex market? Here we go.
Giorgio, I have bought enough gold now. Make sure no trader makes money from here.
Your losses are planned.
Even during NFP, switch to off quotes mode.
Welcome to Forex.
All right, Mr. Coach. Got it.
Now back to FBK Podcast and Sleep.
Rest in peace to our brother Abashwe. He's being buried tomorrow.
yeah, so sad. Wish I was his boyfriend to inherit everything. Dude, have you realized most Forex traders have fallen off? Like,
yeah,
they are broker for real, bro.
Facts, bro. That's true. Most of them are gone, finished.
I guess people are woke now, and they can't sell their stupid trading robots anymore.
The financial media pees on you and they tell you that it's raining. Where else, in reality, there's always someone who controls something at the end of the day. Now, this man, Coach, he bought all the gold in the world, meaning that he's the one that controls the actual global economy at the moment, which is why leadership wants his power. On the other side, Musa is looking for his brother Alostro because he left him here a few years back to go hustle. He has no idea.
Hi, this brother of mine can be annoying at times. Hi, let me go look for him at Cheeky Tiger. Maybe we'll tell him at Dice Lady Chomiza Gauge.
Musa has no idea that his brother is now a millionaire.
I have gotten Coach's location. Attack him with full force.
All right, I'm on it.
Now remember, Jason is strategically powerful and leadership is physically powerful. Now the two are very dangerous combined. Coach has no idea war is coming.